Hello, this is Paul again. Today I thought we'd do something a little different. I wanted to talk about why you might use CloudQuant and about why we want you to use CloudQuant. CloudQuant, as you might know, is our crowdsourcing algorithmic trading platform, a trading strategy incubator. So what does that actually mean? Our firm has been in the stock market for more than 20 years, with access to all kinds of data to do research, and we are well aware that people outside of this very close community don't really get a chance to break into it very often. And we wanted to change that. We wanted to democratize trading and algorithmic trading. So we wanted to take our tick-by-tick level market data systems, the extra data sets we have access to, the fundamental data, our technology, our hardware, and our state-of-the-art backtesting system, our support staff, and our capital, and make that available to other people, to programmers, big data scientists, to someone who's maybe a researcher or a specialist in something entirely different, entirely unrelated. And we wanted to make that available for free. And we wanted users to be able to develop something with the confidence that their IP was their own. But if you do come up with something, we want to give you the opportunity to run that product through us if you choose to. You're not restricted in any way. So what does that look like? Well, we currently have users from over 145 countries around the world. They are data scientists, traders and former traders, software engineers and programmers, basically anyone with a trading idea. And we've already taken a number of those people and we've allocated significant amounts of money to trading algorithms that have been developed on this system. We've allocated over $72 million so far. And typically, the developers of these systems don't take any of the risk. We take the risk, but they receive 10% of any net trading profit that their models generate. What exactly is it we're looking for from someone developing something on our system? Well, at a high level, we need them to make money. I mean, that's the basic thrust of it. What those models do is entirely up to you. They can be intraday, they can be multi-day. We do want a diversity of the models. We don't want them all doing exactly the same thing. We want to spread it out a little. Obviously, as a fund, we're going to lean more towards the multi-day models as the intraday models tend to be a little more volatile. But we don't want to specify a particular market event or scenario to focus on. We want you to find something unique. Again, diversification is a huge positive for a fund. We're looking for a model that has no significant drawdowns. If you can test it on some of the worst days in market history, your model should be able to ride out severe market events without taking a severe hit. And we want it to be scalable. It's great if you can make a model that trades a single symbol, 100 shares at a time, once a day, extremely well, and we may be interested in that. But we are much more interested in a model that trades across a large number of shares, can enter many different symbols, and ideally, symbols that can be scaled up without affecting the model's efficiency too much. Normally, if you try to trade larger on a symbol that only trades thinly, then you end up moving the price of that symbol around a lot. What do we give you in return? Well, we want you to succeed at a very high level, a level higher than you could on your own. And we provide you with access to a cutting-edge backtesting system. We provide you with access to symbol lists and additional data sets. We provide you with a high level of support, guidance, advice, and suggestions. We provide scripts. We provide a forum. We respect that your IP is your IP. And we back this up with 20 years plus of trading experience. If you find an opportunity, if you find a profit center, we are prepared to back it with millions of dollars, taking on all of the risk. And if your model is profitable, we'll typically share 10% of the net trading profit with you. We're consistently improving those services as well. We're adding new data and new features all the time. So what are your next steps? Register on our website, watch the beginners and intermediate videos on our YouTube channel, clone and run some of the existing public models on the site, and play around with them, change some of the values, see what happens. The documentation on the website is extensive. You should start by reading all of the pages under welcome. Attempt to write your own first simple trading model from scratch. Read and ask questions in the forums. Rinse, repeat, and improve. Write another model. Write another model. Don't imagine that you'll stumble upon a great model on your first go, or even on your 10th go. If it was that easy, everybody would be doing it. You may work on a model over and over again and may just not work out, but stick with it and you will develop your own base code and you will keep improving. So why should you do it? Well, as we said before, this level of data, hardware and support has never been available outside Wall Street. And if you have the skill set and you apply it, you can discover huge opportunities. Python, if you haven't programmed it before, there are lots of videos online ranging from a 30-minute video if you already know how to program and just want to know the nuances of this language, right the way up to a 3-day programming course by Google. It's easy to learn and it's easy to program. And we'll help you to learn how to trade. If you know virtually nothing about the stock market, we will give you advice, and we're going to make videos that give a gentle introduction to the stock market, what different things you can do and what types of symbols you should and should not consider trading. Something that I like to say is that learning to program algorithmic trading systems is very much like learning music. First, you learn about musical structure. Then you learn an instrument. Then you practice with that instrument. Then you learn how to construct a song. Then you make your first simple song. Then you develop your skill and make a better song. And then ... you're the Beatles. Okay, maybe not the Beatles, but you can generate additional income for yourself, and who knows, maybe significant additional income for yourself. So that's basically it. Obviously, we look forward to you joining CloudQuant. If you ask questions on the forum, often it will be me that's answering the questions. And most of all, have fun with it. If you have that level of curiosity, then you'll get a lot out of playing with this data. As I said, in the future, we're looking to expand the features that we make available. And there are lots of exciting things coming down the pipeline. So we look forward to seeing you on the site and in the forums, and good luck and good trading.